Welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. I wanted to take some time and tell you guys to forget the FUD. Forget it. Everyone's looking at these charts, right? It's pulling back. We look at the fear and greed index, okay? This is what everyone's looking at as well. We are in yellow. I told you the best time to buy. This isn't financial advice, but what we do, the best time to buy is when it's yellow, orange, or red on the fear and greed index. This is the time to accumulate. I can't stress this enough. The reason why, I'm gonna actually show you guys this. I wasn't planning on this. I'm gonna show you guys this real quick, okay? Take a look at Cardano. We'll go to Cardano's chart real quick so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, okay? Looking at Cardano, you look at the price point. We'll actually go back. Let's go back, okay? I'm gonna go back down to when it hit 3 cents. So it was a while ago. This is back when, you know, I was in crypto and I got some Cardano. And so over here, when we look at Cardano on the price chart, right, it went down. So I got in Cardano when it hit up here and it was just pulling back, okay? For years, it stayed within range. It got up to 10 cents, back down, 7 cents, back down. Like, it was just ranging, right? The final part, you know, I started buying it when it was at about 25 cents, pulled back down to 3 cents, okay? About December of 2018. 3 cent Cardano, right? Everyone lost hope. The FUD was insane. Everyone lost hope. I can't even extract the same way people are feeling about XRP. That same feeling, that same sentiment is the exact same way people felt about Cardano in January 2019. I would say December 18. I can confirm December 18. Because even me, I thought, I'm like, oh shoot, it's at 3 cents, right? And I had to check myself, right? It was at 3 cents and everyone felt this way. Oh, it's not performing. Meanwhile, everything's dumping. It shouldn't be performing, but it's not performing. Everything's dumping. Oh my goodness. Then what happens? Cardano shoots up to $3. Okay. It shoots up to $3 in 2 years, 2 years later. Okay. Or 3 years later. Okay. So we go from even right here at 20 in 2020, right? Hit about a penny again. Okay. And I'm like, oh, shoot, you know, because we didn't necessarily hit a bull run yet. We didn't hit it yet. And I'm like, oh, shoot, it dropped down to a penny. But for me, it was around 3 cents. I'm like, accumulate a little bit. That thing shot up from April 2020 in less than a year. OK, we are a little bit over a year. No, less than a year. February 2021. OK, and then we look at over a year. Probably about a year and a half. We got August 2021. So about a year and a half. Okay. It went to $3. Okay. So when I talk about have the long game in mind, forget this FUD stuff. Forget it. Have a mind shift, because this FUD is actually going to prevent you from making money in crypto. It will prevent you. Following this the wrong way, following this fear greed index the wrong way will result and you being one of those people, oh man, I sold my XRP at 20 cents. I was fed up with it. Or let's just scroll. We can go down the list. Okay, let's go down the list. I sold my Ethereum. I was tired of losing money. I sold my Ethereum at $3,100. Now Ethereum's $20,000. I sold Solana at $143, and now Solana's $1,000. I sold XRP at 53 cents. Now it's $5. Cardano, 46 cents. Now it's $4, right? It's going to be the same thing that's going to play out. Probably even greater because of the institutional money that's here. Okay? I'm just keeping it real with you. I had a conversation with one of my friends who has clients, and he's actually my computer guy, but he's a friend. We talk crypto, and he repairs all our Macs and our Apple devices. And we were talking about, he has a client who came from Iceland. He said, I'm tired of losing money in crypto. And I had to tell him, like, bro, I had to tell him that Cardano story. I'm like, listen, Cardano hit 3 cents and ranged in 3 cents for, like, I want to say about 2 years, because it wasn't a bull market yet. It stayed in range. As soon as that bull market hit, Cardano went from 3 cents. In a year and a half, it was $3. Okay? So forget this FUD. Forget, if you need to play this fear and greed index correctly. Okay, do not fall victim to this. When people are fearful, that is when you buy. When people are, oh, you know, so excited, when people that aren't in crypto start coming up to you asking about crypto, that's when you should be ready to start selling. I'm gonna just keep it 100, because that's what people do anyway. I'm keeping it 100. When the person that has no business being in crypto, right? And when I say no business being in crypto, meaning they're not even like technologically savvy, right? Like they don't even have a smartphone, but they're asking you how to buy Dogecoin, okay? Like once people start doing that, that is an indicator, okay? Once this fear, greed, index gets to around 80 to 90, that is an indicator. Start looking for a higher low to break. When a higher low breaks, that's when you want to exit. And I'll tell you when we're exiting. I'll tell you when we're taking profits. I'll tell you when we're doing it. But I just want everyone to understand. I want everyone to understand that you must forget the FUD. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.